let's learn math. Our topic for this video will be addition and subtraction. Addition. Addition is adding two different objects or numbers which results in its total sum. Example: 1 apple plus 2 apples equals 3 apples. 1 apple is called the addend 1. 2 apples is called the addend 2. And the 3 apples is the sum. Second example: 2 oranges plus 2 oranges equals 4 oranges. Third example: 2 lollipops plus 3 lollipops equals 5 lollipops. Subtraction. Subtraction is taking away one object from another set of objects. Example: 2 apples minus 1 apple is equal to 1 apple. 2 apples is called the minuend. 1 apple is called the subtrahend. And the answer, which is 1 apple, is called the difference. Second example: 4 candies minus 2 candies is equal to 2 candies. Third example: 5 pencils minus 1 pencil is equal to 4 pencils. Thank you for learning addition and subtraction with us. We hope you learned something fun today. Please like, share, and subscribe for more fun videos.